Good morning from cruising the Sierra Farm. So I'm just going to give you a quick little update. Oh, and by the way, I have to show you this. So our little orchard here, we have a peach tree, a pear tree, a nectarine tree, and an apple tree. And the apple tree is the latest to bloom, which is a good thing because I'm not sure we're gonna get fruit on everything else except for the apple, because we had a late frost and we keep looking and we haven't seen anything on the other ones. But check it out. I have our first apples right there, right there. There's like 3 more. Oh, there, maybe right up in there. Oh, yep, right there. Can you see it through there? So super exciting. We have our first apples on our tree. But that's not the purpose for this video. So I'm gonna show you. Hey, can you, Chichin, be nice, young lady. Be nice. They just want to be part of the group. I've got a couple young cockerel and a young pullet back there, and they are trying to integrate with the older hens. Anyway, okay, so down in my flower bed here, I have a Homestead lavender plant. Okay, and you can see some of this died back, and I just haven't clipped it off yet. Anyway, but as you can see, some of it's coming back amazingly. Well, I really want this entire bed. Well, obviously I can't because I don't want to disturb what I have here. But down here at this end, I had some Shasta daisies down there, and man, they just kind of took over and got crazy. And so I pulled them out, and I want to plant some more of the Homestead lavender there. So what I did was I took some cuttings about a month and a half ago. Why is it they always have to talk when I come out to make videos? All right, so let's take a little stroll up here to the greenhouse. And I'm going to show you. All I did was take them and plant them, the cuttings that I took. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cuttings. And we're going to see if any of them have rooted, okay? So, I mean, pretty good that they still look, these aren't dead. They're just older than these little guys here. So anyway, let's pull one up. Oh, yes, look at that. I have roots. That's awesome. So this is literally just, let's put this back down in there and cover those. Sorry, cover those roots back up. Ooh, they smell so amazing too. I'm gonna pull one more up, a bigger one up, just to see what the, oh, look at that. It's just barely, can you, let's see, will it focus? There's just barely a couple little roots starting to come out there at the bottom. I don't know if it's, anyway. Yeah, we'll keep that in there. But, yay, I'm thrilled. I'm going to go ahead and pull another one up just to see. Oh, yeah, there we go. You see those? See those little roots? That's awesome. Shoot, I might actually go get these planted. Maybe I'll let them get established a little bit longer here. But I'll probably wait maybe another week or so, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and give it some water. And I'll give it another week or so, and then we'll come back and check on the status of them and get them planted at that point. Because there's nothing better than having fresh lavender on the farm. All right, perfect. All right, so there you go. There are so many different things that you can take and transplant and propagate from in your yards. So anyway, look at how tall my it's getting. I only have that much room until it hits the top of the greenhouse. I might have to cut that back to help it branch out or something. I don't know.